Hi everybody, I have a breaking news for you. The much awaited ETF has finally been approved by SEC, although they have not formally announced that, but it has been approved. And but this is going to be the future ETF. It's not going to be the spot ETF as we all call it. So let's see how it looks. If you look at this, it says that the first Bitcoin future ETF in the US is set to begin trading next week. The ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, which will give exposure to Bitcoin futures contracts, but not the spot market, will trade under the ticker. The ticker is BITO. The Security Exchange Commission had not formally approved the creation of Bitcoin future ETF as of Friday afternoon, and the agency may never make a formal declaration of approval for it. The proposed date for the listing is Monday, but very likely it will start working sometime next week, and then we will basically see it going, and people can basically get into ETF. And the news is actually a major news. It's a big news for crypto world and for Bitcoin and for everybody, because that basically means that now there is a lot of money will be moving right into crypto. Millions and millions of dollars will be coming, and it basically means that the market bull run will continue, and it will go up considerably. And that's the reason why Bitcoin today is going around. If you look at, let's look at the coin market cap, and if you look at the Bitcoin, it has shown considerable progress today, and it jumped up to 63,000, but right now it is going at 61,771, and it is like in last 7 days there's 12%, 13% increase in the price, and it is likely to hit the all-time high, and then it will march down up to 1 million definitely. That's something which is very likely, and I'm hoping to see it soon. The other good news is regarding the Ethereum. The Ethereum is now $3,843, and there's 7% increase in that. And if you look at the Binance is also going very well because of his future contracts and because of his ability to do the NTFs. This is one of the major non-fungible accounts will be opened on that, and they are already being opened, and it is basically taking advantage of the fact that Ethereum gas price is very high. So Binance is a closest central native to Ethereum. So Binance is taking advantage of that. As you can see, that's 11% increase, hardly 472. It's number 3 in terms of market cap. Cardano is going up. It's still, in my opinion, is kind of sleepy, but there is 2.19% increase in the price, which is a good sign. But the major gainer, in my opinion, is where is that? The Polkadot. Look at the Polkadot, how it is flying high. It is now in 1 week there is increase of around 30%, and it is now $43.55, and it is happening mainly because of the auctions they are starting, and these auctions will mean that they will start in November the 11th, and they will go on, which basically will mean that most of the experts are saying that the Polkadot price is likely to go up to $75. Let us see how it goes. Another news for today is regarding the coin Tether, and Tether has been fined, and it has been fined because they don't have enough money in the backup. Like they say that the fiat, whatever the amount they have, like the 68,000 market cap, they are saying that they have 68,000 in the backup, but that's not true. They actually have much less money off and on. They never had the full backup. So they have been fined because of misleading the customers, I would say. And so that's some of the news I had for today, and I thought I should share it with you. And thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon next time. Thank you.